Hello everyone, how are you guys? I hope you all are doing good. So I'm here for the messages from the Ascendant Masters. So I was guided to do this video for all of us, for the collective. So let's get started. But before that, let's cleanse the energies. So yeah. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Angels, please cleanse the energies of the collective. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, so there are two piles. You can choose option one, which is this rose quartz, and option two, which is this amethyst. Pick whichever you feel like, or else go and make ask your guides and angels which one is for you. And also you can choose both of the piles. I would suggest you to meditate, at least take 3 to 4 breaths of inhale and exhale, and just see which pile calls you. So I'll shuffle it live. So yeah, so for the pile 1, we'll see what are the messages from your Ascendant Masters. This one. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, so pile 1. Okay. So, pile 1, you are resisting your change. So, you are being called to accept your blessings. So, here we can see Goddess Mary Lavine, which is good juju. You're born with a very good destiny, and it's just you need to take the next step towards your goals and aspirations. Do not worry and do not fear your change. I know when we go ahead in life, it is very discomfort, we feel discomfortable, and lots and lots of fear, anxiety and thoughts come in our mind and hearts. So here she's telling you to meditate, light candles, diyas, whomever you believe in. Just call upon your angels and guides and your ascendant masters. So this pile is very powerful because you have got a lot of help, but you are not accepting your blessings. So just receive your blessings. And here I can see a snake as well, and a book as well in her hands. And here I can see you need to first gain knowledge as well, so that it uh, remembers, your soul will remember what are your hidden talents, because you are very creative and your talents will make you very prosperous. And the snake is, just let go of your jealousy, ego, anger, and whatever is holding you back. You need to accept your shadow self as well. So everyone has got light and shadow selves. You need to accept your shadow selves, like, yes, I am jealous, yes, I am egoistic, I am not choosing my shadow right now. So call upon, you have good juju, so good fortune is heading your way. So you just need to accept it, explore more about your talents and soul purpose. Okay. Goddess Long Bubby Susie, which is shame, worries, anxiety. So this is, telling me to just meditate and just say, this affirmation: I let go of all my guilt, worries, shame, anxieties into the light of the divine right now. I no longer live in past, I live in present moment, and I create my reality. Okay. So, and they are also telling me, your ascendant masters are telling me to isolate yourself. It's not like isolate from the outer world, but isolate from the worries and anxiety which you are feeling every now and then. If you think you're alone, you're not alone. Okay. And this pile has gone through a lot, but there is always help available. And you have a lot of help available. You can't see it, but if you call upon them, they are always ready to help you. Your ascendant masters are here to guide you on your path, and will take you to the next step forward. Within 7 to 8 months, there is a lot of new opportunities available to you. We need to let go of your shame, guilt, worries, anxieties, and just say, I'm divine child of light. I'm a white, I come from a white light, and nobody can do anything to me without my permission. And just forgive yourself and others. And if you are the one who have done something wrong to others, make sure that you ask for forgiveness energetically, mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually, and you forgive yourself and others. And do some meditation, just start meditating and focus on your life purpose. There are new opportunities available to you. So, yeah, this is a really nice beginning of the pick a card session. So, now we'll see the second card, which second pile. So, let's see what is in store for you from your Ascendant Masters, what messages they would like to give it to you. Okay, that was rude. Okay. Hmm. Pile 2, you all are carrying a lot of heavy energies, and you're not seeing that creativity is in store for you. So we have got seven sisters, goddess seven sisters, which is the goddess of creativity. So there's this collaboration coming for you. Okay, if you have any collaborative team or any place you want to go to collaborate your projects, or be it spirituality, or anything related to your career, love, or anything, situations, anything, you just need to uh, explore your creative side and collaborate with people and have fun and embrace, because here I can see almost everyone is same, but they are different. Somehow they are different and they connect on a soul level. So please connect with your soul tribe. Okay. And there's a lot of celebration as well. So this month you might celebrate, or in the coming few months you might celebrate with your loved ones. Yeah. And keep smiling, please smile. Pile 2, please keep smiling, because you're a very jolly kind of set of group of people. So embrace the sadness, but don't be in that sadness, because it lowers your vibration. Just keep smiling, and focus on your creativity. This part also needs to focus on the creativity. And creativity, they're telling me, it's not about drawing, painting, dancing. Creativity is exploring your spiritual side as well, your talents, your passions, how curious you are about life, about gaining wisdom, and you know exploring and sharing your knowledge with others. That's also a creative side. And there are many things, like traveling, or it's a whole a new world for you, pile 2, if you explore your creativity and give it a shape and collaborate. By collaborating, you will meet your soul family, who are exactly like you, think same, act same, laugh together, and create a very good atmosphere, positive atmosphere, which aligns with your soul purpose. And yeah, but the journey will be little bit alone, not that alone, but until you find, until and unless you find your hidden creative talents, you have to believe in yourself. So there's this affirmation they're telling me to give it to you. I believe in myself, I believe in myself, and I believe in myself. Yeah. So the next card is Asaya, joy. So she's the goddess of joy. So they're telling me to connect with Mother Earth, okay, Mother Moon, and anyone who you connect with, who's a motherly figure. And also, here I can see, follow the moon cycle. Following the moon cycle, by that I mean releasing everything and everyone that doesn't serve your highest and greatest good. You can search online as to how to release it. You can take salt water baths and release everything which is not serving me, because it is keeping you stuck, and you're not able to explore your creative talents. And your Mother Earth, you might be an earth angel. This pile might be an earth angel. So earth angel means, they are here to spread love and joy, and their soul is very much connected to earth. So Mama Earth is calling you. It's high time now to please follow your soul purpose, and by any means, however you can help her and her children, please do that. She loves you unconditionally. You call upon her, she's always there. So yeah, that's really really nice. And again, grounding. So we have got Saute, which is grounding. She is the goddess of grounding. So when you experience any heaviness, uneasiness, do some grounding meditation. So how will the grounding meditation go? You stand up, imagine a white light above your head, and call in all your gods and goddesses and archangels, angels. Call upon Archangel Michael, all the archangels. Tell them to shield you. Then ask Mother Earth. First of all, say thanks to all your blessings and everything. Call in Archangel Michael and say, Mama Earth, to please ground me. Release all your negative energies, all the energies which you're carrying of yourself and others. And please ground all your energies with the white light and see yourself, your whole body cleansing and surrounded with white light. And then say thanks and come out. Okay, so whenever you feel, and grounding is recommended for this pile every day. Taking salt water bath, this cup pile is very spiritual. It's just like it just gets stuck in the past. Okay, and you can call upon the goddesses as well. These are all African goddesses. And yeah, and the affirmation which is coming for you guys is, I am grounded, I am grounded, I am grounded, and I'm here to serve my purpose. I'm here to serve humanity. I'm here to serve Mama Earth. I'm here to serve all the good beings here on this planet. And I take lovingly care of myself and others. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So you can just listen to this affirmation or say it, okay? So yeah, so this ends the pick a card session. So thank you so much, and sending you all lots of love and light and protection, happiness, peace, and joy. And yeah, thank you. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Thank you.